गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। कैसे हैं आप लोग? पढ़ाई चल रही है? होमवर्क कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं आप लोग? बहुत अच्छा। कंटिन्यू लगे रहना है। स्टडी की रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस बनाए रखना है। रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस अगर आप लोग करेंगे तो कहीं से भी आप लोगों को कोई दिक्कत नहीं होने वाली है। थोड़ा थोड़ा ही करके आप अपने टारगेट तक पहुंच जाएंगे। एज वी डिस्कस्ड yesterday, the graphical representation of linear equation and its solution. In that series, today also we are going to learn the solution and graphical representation of the linear equation in two variable with a slight different concept. We can see here area bounded. Now we are going to calculate the area also. Area bounded by the line means linear equation in two variable x plus y is equal to 7 and the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x dash and y dash. First of all, we have to represent the linear equation through the graph. After that, we shall see that what is the area bounded by this equation and the coordinate axis. So we have to solve this equation by inspection method. So this equation can be written as y is equal to 7 minus x when you transpose x to the right side. So now the solution table is this. Now you are aware about the solution table. This is x, y, this is the coordinate, and the coordinates given as points a, b, c, d. If x is equal to 1, value of y is equal to 6. If x is equal to 2, value of y is equal to 7. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. If x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3. So now this is your Cartesian plane coordinate axis. So let us plot the first point A, that is 1, 6. So 1 unit is positive, so on the x-axis 1 and 6 unit along the y-axis. So this is your point. This is your point A. This is your point A. Now the second point 2 and 5. Take 2 unit and go through y-axis, and this is your point B. And the C 3, 4, it is here. 3, 4 point C, and we can plot 4, 3 at point B. With the ruler, if you connect this point, you will get a line like that. With the ruler, if you draw this, extend this graph in both the direction, you can see that approximately this line intersecting at C, not C, at 6 and here at 7. Mark this point at P and Q. Now this is the graph of the linear equation x plus y is equal to 7, and this graph y is equal to 7 minus x intersect the x-axis at P and y-axis at Q. Now the area bounded by this and coordinate axis. So this is your area bounded by the linear equation x plus y is equal to 7 and what? Coordinate axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. We have to calculate the area of this region. And can you tell me this region is what kind what? Since coordinate axis intersect at right angle, so this triangle is what kind of triangle? Right angle triangle. So this region is also termed as right triangle region. So area of this right angle triangle POQ is equal to area of right triangle POQ. That is, already we are very well known about the area of right angle triangle. 1/2 परपेंडिकुलर एंड बेस. इनमें से किसी को परपेंडिकुलर रख सकते हैं. सो OP termed as perpendicular and OQ as base. Can you tell me how much is OP? OP is 6 and OQ is 7 square unit. So this is how much? 2 will cancel. So 3 into 7, that is 21 square unit. So in this way you can calculate the area of the region bounded by the linear equation and the coordinate axis. Maybe this type of question will be asked to you in the examination, and I hope that now you are now you have good knowledge and characteristics of the graphical representation of linear equation in two variables, and I hope that you will be able to solve the problems related to these topics. Thank you very much.